It's Sunday night, and somewhere between dinner and bedtime, the whole week starts stacking up in your head. Soccer practice is Tuesday, or wait, is the dentist Tuesday? There's a birthday party Friday, and you still need a gift for it. Somebody has a thing after school, and you can't remember whose thing it is. And here's the part that really wears you down. You're the one holding all of it. It's not written anywhere, not all in one place anyway. It's on a crumpled paper on the counter, in a text from the coach, and in your head. And if you drop one piece, someone doesn't get picked up. If that's you, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know how to type one plain message and get back a clean, day-by-day plan for your family's whole week. It even adds a short list of the things you'd otherwise forget. It takes about 2 minutes, and I'll show you exactly what to type. Quick hello if you're new here. I'm Brandon, and this is Finally Get AI, where we make this stuff make sense in plain English. No jargon, no dumb questions ever. Okay, let's get into it. One quick thing before we start. I turned today's trick into a free printable card called The One Prompt That Untangles Your Family's Week. It's a fill-in-the-blank version of everything I'm about to show you, made to live on the fridge. It's waiting for you inside our free community, Finally Get AI. The link is right below, it costs nothing, and every free guide I've ever made is in there too. Go grab it and follow along with me. Okay, here's the whole thing, and it's just 2 steps. First, you dump the week out of your head into one message. Messy is fine. Then, if the plan that comes back isn't quite right, you fix it with one short line at a time. That's it. Now, where do you type this? You open an AI chatbot, that's just a website or an app like ChatGPT, where you type a message and it types back. Think of it like a very patient family assistant, and you hand it the mess and it sorts the mess for you. And here's the part I want you to really hear. You don't have to organize your thoughts before you start. That's the AI's job, not yours. You know how you'd catch up a good friend on your week? Emma's got practice Tuesday, Jake's got the dentist on Wednesday, I work late Thursday. That's the whole skill. You just say it. So let me do it right in front of you. Here's a made-up family week, and watch, I'm going to type it exactly as jumbled as it lives in my head. Okay? So I'm here on ChatGPT, click in the box, I'm gonna start typing. Here's everything happening in my family this week. Emma has soccer practice Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30. Jake has a dentist appointment Wednesday at 2. My wife works Tuesday and Thursday evenings. There's a birthday party Saturday at noon. And we also still need to get a gift. Trash goes out Wednesday night. I have a work call, let's say Wednesday at 2:30. Make me a simple day-by-day plan for the week that shows who needs to be where and when. Add a short don't forget list at the bottom. So notice I didn't sort anything. Kids stuff, my stuff, the trash, all in one pile in whatever order it came to me. Okay, so then you'll hit enter, you give it a second, and then as we go, it'll load up here and it shows the weekly plan. Okay, so you can see, look, Monday, no scheduled events. Good day to buy the birthday gift for Saturday if you have time. Tuesday, it shows the soccer practice. That's great. Wednesday, it shows, dentist appointment for Jake. I have a work call. Evening, I have to put the trash out. Okay. So it is spotted, all the different things, before I did, right? And as you keep scrolling down, it shows everything all the way through. And at the bottom, there's my don't forget list. Okay. So we have the gift, the trash on Wednesday, remember Jake's dentist appointment, your work call, all of that, okay? That whole cloud that was floating around in your head, it's now on one page. Okay, now step 2. And this is the step that makes it actually super useful. The first plan is never perfect because the AI only knows what you told it. So you don't start over, you simply just reply like you're replying to a person. Okay, so that Wednesday pileup that it found, okay, I'd type this. I can't move my work call. Suggest how to handle Wednesday. Then we type enter, or then we hit enter, and we wait for a few seconds and it comes back. Okay. And now it's going to think it through with you. Maybe, the dentist moves, maybe somebody else drives, but now it's a plan instead of a surprise on Wednesday at 2. Okay. So obviously it's showing that we have a conflict with Jake and my call, the dentist appointment. And so it talks about having another adult take Jake to the dentist, ask if he can get dropped off at the dentist office, or I could take Jake myself if I can drop him off and then get him checked in before 2:30, and then maybe I can take my call in a quiet spot, right? So it thinks about those things through with you. So it gives you different ideas, okay? Now, what about the dinner, okay? So do you want dinner handled too? Just one line. So we go add a simple dinner idea for each night. Nothing fancy, and Thursday needs to be fast because of practice. Okay? And then you hit enter, and here's my favorite one. When you've got that nagging feeling you're missing something, you can ask it straight out, okay? So obviously right here, we have weekly dinners, it talks about, maybe spaghetti with some garlic bread and salad, chicken tacos with lettuce, and it talks about all these different things. It gives me some more rearranging. It talks about the Wednesday conflict and so on, okay? And then down here it also says use ground beef, rice, and bell peppers on Wednesday so they don't go to waste if you have any. Just different things like that, and that's why I love it, okay? Now, we're going to try something different. What am I likely forgetting this week? And then hit enter. Okay, so from everything you've shared, here are the things that are easiest to overlook. The birthday gift. You remember the party, but it's easy to get to Saturday and realize you still need a present. Buying it Monday or Friday would get it off your mind, okay? So it's talking about the gift, Wednesday's scheduling conflict, trash on Wednesday night, all of these different things. And it won't know everything, obviously, about your family, but it's shockingly good at spotting the normal stuff that slips, okay? So now, one small tip before we wrap up here. First names are plenty. The AI doesn't need your kid's school, your address, or anybody's last name to sort your last week, or sort your week. Keep the private details out and it just works great. And when the plan looks right, you're done. Copy it, print it, stick it on the fridge, text it to the family. 2 minutes on Sunday night and the week lives on a page instead of in your head. Let's say it one more time because it really is this simple. Step 1, dump the whole week into one message, exactly as messy as it is in your head, and ask for a day-by-day plan with a don't forget list at the bottom. Step 2, fix it one line at a time. How do I handle Wednesday? Add simple dinners. What am I forgetting? And keep the private stuff out. First names only, no addresses. That's how one typed message takes the week out of your head and puts it on a page. Here's my little nudge for you. This Sunday night, when the week starts piling up in your head, don't carry it. Open a chatbot and dump it out, exactly the way I showed you. I think you'll be surprised how much lighter Monday feels. And grab the free printable, the one prompt that untangles your family's week. It's the fill-in-the-blank card version of all this, made for the fridge. It's waiting in our free community, Finally Get AI, along with every other free guide I've ever made. The link's below and it costs absolutely nothing. If someone in your life is the one carrying their family's week around in their head, send them this video. They'll thank you for it. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. Come tell me what your don't forget list caught. I'd love to hear it. See you next time.